cat. And today I'm here with my dogs. I came for a walk with my daughter Valerie. And look what I found. Those are the goats in my neighborhood. Here we are. Teacher Valerie is helping.
I miss you guys so much.
Yeah, we miss you guys. But we're trying to have a good time and record something for you so you can miss us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep walking around to see if I can find some insects, since we're talking about insects and butterflies this week. We have a lot of plants. Oh, right here. Oh, we have a bumblebee right there. It's going inside the flower. It looks like the bumblebee gets stuck in there. Look.
Teacher Valerie got scared.
Yeah. Teacher Valerie, be brave. They don't do anything to you, you don't bother them. And I don't think that they are bothered because we're just recording. Can you see the ladybug? Oh, it's going up. You can see it better. Yeah, the snail is eating from the tall grass. It's moving really slow.
In our neighborhood, we also have ponds. And in the ponds, you can sometimes see birds having fun in the water. We can see
goodness.
a giant toad.
But Teacher Valerie, tell us, what is that?
I think that's a toad or a frog.
Oh, it's huge. Oh my God. Do you hear something? I can hear the crickets right here. The goats that we have here in our neighborhood, they are here every year. They come to help us to eat all the grass, to clean the creek. And it's very fun to see them every day. You can see we have baby ones, mommies, we have the whole families. This little goat is looking at us. Hi. Hello, little friend. Oh, look at the baby. He's drinking milk from the mommy. You see? Oh, he's happy. He's moving his tail. Yeah. A bear cat. We're going to catch a big one. We're on the stair. Uh-oh, that is very tall grass. And look, the sheep is taking a bath. That's the water for them to drink, but I guess she is hot and thirsty. Uh-oh, what is she doing? Look at the baby goats. They are playing right there. Oh, right now, they are like pushing each other. That's the way that they play. It looks like they're fighting, but that's the way they play. They have fun. Oh, they are playing. We have all the babies here. They're playing, having fun. Oh wow, there is a lot. Bye everyone. Next time I'm gonna look for something else to show you. Today, look, the sun is going down and all the goats are getting together to go to sleep. And I'm going to sleep in a little bit too. Bye, good night. Bye everyone. I hope to see you soon. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye.